Ever you opened a bag of Lay's and wondered how a muddy potato from a farm turns into a fragile, golden, crispy chip that tastes the same every single time? How do factories slice potatoes so evenly, fry them without burning, and season them so each bite feels identical? Today, we're stepping inside a Lay's-style potato chip factory to follow the whole process step by step, from potato delivery to washing, peeling, slicing, frying, seasoning, packaging, and shipping. By the end of this video, you'll never look at a simple chip the same way again. Subscribe to Agriline Factory for more fascinating factory tours and behind-the-scenes looks at how everyday products are made. 1. Potato selection and farming. What if the secret to the perfect chip isn't in the factory, but hidden deep in the soil? The journey of a potato chip begins long before any machinery starts running inside a factory. It starts in carefully selected fields where specific potato varieties are grown for their ideal balance of starch, sugar, and moisture. This balance is critical. High starch levels help create a light, crispy texture, while controlled sugar levels prevent chips from turning too dark during frying. Too much moisture can lead to soggy chips, while excess sugar causes uneven browning and bitter flavors. To maintain consistency, many chip manufacturers work directly with contracted farmers, providing detailed guidelines on seed selection, soil management, irrigation, and harvest timing. Growing conditions are closely monitored throughout the season to ensure uniform size and quality. After harvest, potatoes are stored in temperature and humidity-controlled facilities to prevent sprouting, bruising, and sugar buildup. Careful storage preserves their internal chemistry, ensuring they remain suitable for processing. This strict agricultural control guarantees that only high-quality potatoes move forward into chip production. 2. Delivery and initial quality control. What if an entire truckload of potatoes, worth thousands, could be rejected in just minutes? When potatoes arrive at the factory, the delivery process follows a strict and organized system designed to protect quality from the very first step. Each truck is weighed on arrival and registered in the plant's tracking system to ensure full traceability. This allows factories to trace every batch back to the specific farm and harvest date if needed. Quality control teams then collect samples from different sections of the truck to get an accurate representation of the load. These samples are carefully inspected for size uniformity, firmness, moisture content, and sugar levels, which directly affect frying color and taste. Technicians also check for visible defects such as bruising, rot, cuts, or green discoloration caused by sun exposure. Any load that fails to meet strict standards is rejected immediately. Only approved potatoes move into storage or straight to processing lines. This detailed inspection prevents equipment issues, reduces waste, and ensures consistent chip color, flavor, and texture in every batch produced. 3. Cleaning, peeling, and preparation. This is the moment raw, dirt-covered potatoes face machines designed to strip them down in seconds. Once the potatoes pass inspection, they move into the cleaning and preparation area of the factory, where powerful industrial systems remove all remaining soil and debris. The potatoes travel through water flumes and rotating drum washers equipped with high-pressure spray nozzles. These systems loosen and wash away mud, stones, and dust without damaging the surface. In modern facilities, the wash water is filtered, treated, and recycled to reduce environmental impact while maintaining strict hygiene standards. After washing, the potatoes enter peeling machines. Many factories use steam peelers, where high-pressure steam rapidly loosens the skin, which is then removed through gentle friction. Others rely on abrasive peelers that carefully grind away the outer layer. Automated trimming systems and optical sorters remove blemishes, bruised areas, and eyes. This preparation stage creates smooth, clean potatoes, ensuring uniform slicing and consistent frying performance in the next steps. 4. Slicing, rinsing, and blanching. What if one tiny slice thickness mistake could ruin thousands of bags of chips in minutes? After cleaning and peeling, the potatoes are transported by conveyor belts to high-speed industrial slicers, one of the most precise machines in the entire factory. Razor-sharp rotating blades cut each potato into ultra-thin, perfectly uniform slices in milliseconds. Thickness control is absolutely critical. Even the slightest variation can change frying time. affect crispiness, and determine how well the seasoning sticks later. That's why automated systems constantly monitor and calibrate blade positions to maintain exact measurements throughout non-stop production. Immediately after slicing, the potato slices flow through controlled water flumes to rinse away excess surface starch. This prevents sticking and helps achieve a lighter, more even golden color during frying. In some factories, slices are briefly blanched in warm water to reduce sugars and improve texture consistency. These precision-controlled steps are what transform simple potatoes into perfectly crisp, golden chips. 5. Frying, de-oiling, and seasoning. What if just 5 extra seconds in hot oil could destroy an entire batch of chips? Frying is the true heart of chip production, where raw slices transform into the crispy snack everyone recognizes. In large industrial factories, potato slices move continuously through massive stainless steel fryers filled with carefully filtered, high-temperature oil. As they travel along conveyor systems inside the fryer, moisture rapidly evaporates, creating the light, crunchy texture. Advanced sensors constantly monitor oil temperature, cooking time, and oil quality to prevent burning or excessive greasiness. Even small changes are corrected instantly to maintain uniform results. After frying, the chips pass through de-oiling systems such as vibrating conveyors or air blast tunnels that remove excess surface oil. This step keeps them light and improves shelf life. While still warm, the chips enter rotating seasoning drums where salt or flavor powders are applied with precision dosing systems, ensuring every batch delivers the same balanced, consistent taste. 6. Final quality checks, packaging and distribution. What if one burnt chip could stop an entire production line worth thousands of dollars per hour? Before packaging, every chip passes through a final layer of strict factory inspections designed to guarantee safety and consistency. High-speed optical cameras scan thousands of chips per minute, instantly detecting color variations, burnt pieces, or irregular shapes. At the same time, advanced sensors measure moisture and oil content to ensure the perfect crunch. Metal detectors act as a final safety barrier, ensuring no foreign objects enter the finished product. Quality teams also pull random samples for hands-on crunch and flavor testing. Once approved, chips move to high-speed packaging machines where bags are filled and flushed with nitrogen gas. This protective atmosphere prevents oxidation, keeping chips crisp and fresh for weeks. Each bag is sealed, date-coded, and weighed for accuracy before being boxed, palletized, and shipped, ready to reach store shelves worldwide within days. And that's how fresh potatoes become crispy Lay's-style chips, made through carefully controlled processing and non-stop quality checks. It's a perfect blend of agriculture, engineering, and food science. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.